Hi, Dr. Jill Crista here. It is tick season and I'm out on the trail and just ran into some people who had found a tick. It was embedded, and I just was sharing with them my little backpack tip and wanted to share it with you. So here's my little baggie that I bring backpacking and hiking. I leave a pack in my car and it's loaded with all the things you need to remove a tick. So we've got Ledum homeopathic, which you take just before. It helps the body expel the tick. Remember, don't have any cell phones or any radiation next to this. And then tweezers, which is the best way to remove a tick, is with tweezers. Low and slow wins the game. You don't leave any heads embedded. And then I pack 3 or more envelopes being ready to receive that tick, because if you find an embedded tick, always test the tick. And you can prep it by putting a little bit of paper towel in there. Then all you need to do is add water. Don't add alcohol. Alcohol actually makes it harder for the lab to test it. A partial tick works, so if all you got was the belly and the head was left in, you can send that in for testing. If you did get the head stuck in there, check out my other video of how to apply a poultice to get the head out. And I think I covered everything. I hope this helps. Make sure you test your ticks. Easier to test a tick than test a body.